This is my everyday go-to makeup look. I like to first start off by curling my lashes, and I like to get as close to my lashes as possible and just hold it there for a second, just like that, and then repeat the same thing to the other eye. Next is mascara. I've been loving the HAUS Labs mascara. This is in the shade Black Onyx. I like to start at the base and then just wiggle my way up through the lashes. Sometimes I like to get under too, just to make sure that each lash is fully coated. Okay, this eye is done. Just look at the difference. This eye is so much more volumized compared to this one. This one's probably non-existent. And then I'm just going to repeat the same steps to the other side. Trust the process. I also probably look crazy because I like to get so much in there. Just to clean up on my eyelids and around my face, I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Glowing Cleansing Wipes. I had got some on my nose and then a little bit on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go in with a cotton swab just to get in there and get any mascara that I might have missed. Next step is bronzer. I like to use the Merit Bronzer Balm in the shade Sen. I like to just apply it here, a little bit on my forehead, same with the other side, and then a little bit on my jawline. And then I'm going to blend it in with the Merit brush. This is one side of my face blended out. It just defines these areas of my face and adds a bit more color. Now let's blend out the other side. Next is blush, my favorite part of my routine. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Cotton Candy and Strawberry Cream Blush Filter. First, I'm going to apply the Cotton Candy shade here, and a little bit on the other side. Same thing, I go in with the brush. I feel like using the same brush that you use for your bronzer just helps it melt together. I like to tap, never swipe. I just think that the product looks better. It might look a little dramatic now, but once you apply concealer, it just blends perfectly. I like to go in with the Beauty Blender just to tap off any excess. It's such a beautiful color. I think it complements my skin tone perfectly. For concealer, I'm going to use the HAUS Labs concealer in the shade Light Medium Neutral. I like to apply it in the areas I feel like I could use a little more coverage. So for sure, my under eye circles. I have not been getting enough sleep lately. It's fine. This is what we have this for. I have a blemish on my chin, as y'all can see, so let's hide that. And then just anywhere I have any redness, and then just to sharpen this area, I like to apply a little here. Sometimes I'll go in with a concealer brush and sometimes with a beauty blender, or both. Right now, I feel like using both. I do like to drag it out just to give more of that snatched effect. Now to really lock everything into place, I'm gonna go in with my tried and true setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Easy Bake Setting Powder. And I also like to pair it with the Powder Puff. I make sure it's fully coated and then I'll wipe off any excess on the palm of my hand. I feel like this shade just brightens up my under eye. I like to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray just to really melt the makeup all together. Give it a little shake. And I like to drench my face. Now she's really not going anywhere. Last step, my lips are looking a little crusty. This is the Summer Fridays Blush Dreams Dream Lip Oil. This is one of my favorites, and also I love this shade. I just feel like it's the perfect mauve-y baby pink. It's so hydrating and just gives my lips a little bit more color. That is it. This is my go-to everyday makeup look if you're on the go or in a rush, or if you just want to feel cute and put together. Bye!